Hazrat Ali described about earnings as Khairul baladi mahammalaka. The best city is that which carries your burden. La wujidatil arzaqu bi albabi wal aqul. If earnings is concerned with wisdom, lam ta'ashal bahaimu wal humka. The coward, rude and foolish could not live. Hazrat Ali was asked, who is wealthy? He replied, Man raziya bima kusima lahustaghna'u. The person is rich who is satisfied with the division of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The wealth of noble person manifests his qualities and virtues, whereas the wealth of mean fellow manifests his vices and faults. He said, Man azamaka likbarika staghlaka in the iklaq. The person who respects you due to your wealth will consider you despicable at the time of insolvency. Akbarul ya'isu, the biggest wealth is Amma fi aidi nasa lahustaghna'u. Don't expect that thing which is in the hands of others. Sharul amwali malam yukhraj minhu haqqullahi subhanahu. The worst wealth is that in which Allah Almighty's right has not been given. Al mukillu gharibun fi baladehi. An indigent is a stranger in his own city. Al usru yafsudul akhlaq. Poverty spoils morals.